Welcome to our comprehensive guide on customer success metrics. In today's competitive business landscape, understanding how your customers succeed is critical to building a sustainable and growing business. This presentation will walk you through the essential metrics that drive customer retention, expansion, and long-term loyalty. Customer success is the proactive business function that ensures your customers achieve their desired outcomes while using your product or service. It goes beyond customer support. It's about partnering with customers to help them maximize value, reach their goals, and ultimately become advocates for your brand. Customer success teams focus on driving positive outcomes throughout the entire customer journey. Metrics are the foundation of customer success strategy. They provide visibility into customer health, reveal early warning signs of churn, and highlight opportunities for expansion. By tracking the right metrics, you can make data-driven decisions, allocate resources effectively, and demonstrate the impact of your customer success investments. Metrics transform subjective insights into objective, measurable data. Successful customer success teams track metrics across 6 key categories. First, health score measures overall customer account well-being. Second, retention metrics track whether customers continue their relationship with you. Third, revenue metrics capture expansion and upsell opportunities. Fourth, satisfaction metrics gauge customer happiness and net promoter score. Fifth, time to value measures how quickly customers experience value. And sixth, growth metrics indicate how accounts expand over time. Health score is a composite metric that predicts customer success likelihood. It typically combines product usage data, engagement levels, support ticket volume, and customer sentiment. A strong health score indicates an engaged customer who is actively using your product and achieving their goals. Regular health score monitoring allows you to identify at-risk accounts early and intervene proactively before problems escalate. Retention metrics measure your ability to keep customers over time. Customer retention rate shows what percentage of customers remain active at the end of a period. Churn rate is the inverse, showing customers who leave. Repeat purchase rate or contract renewal rate indicates how many customers renew their commitments. These metrics directly impact revenue stability and are key indicators of customer satisfaction and product fit. Revenue metrics quantify the financial impact of customer success. Net revenue retention, or net dollar retention, measures revenue growth from existing customers, accounting for churn and contraction. Expansion revenue tracks growth from upsells and cross-sells. Customer lifetime value predicts the total revenue a customer will generate over their entire relationship with you. Annual recurring revenue growth shows revenue stability and business momentum. Satisfaction metrics reflect customer happiness and loyalty. Net promoter score measures how likely customers are to recommend you on a scale of 0 to 10. Customer satisfaction score captures overall satisfaction across product and service dimensions. Customer effort score measures how easy it is to work with you. These metrics are leading indicators of retention and expansion potential. Time to value measures how quickly customers experience tangible benefits from your product. Initial time to value is the time from purchase to the customer achieving their first success milestone. Ongoing time to value tracks continuous realization of value throughout the customer journey. Reducing time to value improves retention, increases adoption, and accelerates expansion opportunities. Growth metrics quantify account expansion and the success of customer success programs. Monthly active users or feature adoption rates show deepening product engagement. Account growth rate measures increases in usage, seats, or features. Land and expand revenue tracks initial contract value versus expansion revenue. These metrics demonstrate how customer success drives business growth beyond the initial sale. When implementing metrics programs, avoid common pitfalls that undermine effectiveness. First, do not track vanity metrics that look impressive but do not drive business decisions. Second, always establish clear action plans for the insights your metrics reveal. Third, do not overwhelm teams with excessive KPIs. Focus on a few meaningful metrics instead. Fourth, break down data silos by ensuring metrics are accessible across teams for collaborative decision-making. Remember these 4 key takeaways. First, metrics drive strategy. Use data to make informed decisions about customer investments. Second, focus on the 6 core categories: health, retention, revenue, satisfaction, time to value, and growth. Third, start with a few key metrics rather than overwhelming teams with excessive KPIs. Fourth, automate data collection and create visibility through dashboards for real-time insights. Measuring customer success is not about vanity metrics. It is about understanding what drives retention, growth, and sustainable business value.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.